Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a light socket. As you can see, this light socket is just broken, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first thing we are going to do, we're gonna switch off the power from the board. We're going to do that. I even don't know which one is the light here. Let me try this one. Okay, so it's fine. Just put it down. Now we are going to remove the socket. After switching off the switch board, I'm going to remove it. Do it like this. Like this. Like this. You unscrew here. Oop! You see? So now we are going to remove those wires. We're going to remove them and replace this one, only the broken one. So this is the broken socket, as you can see. So we are going to replace it. I'm gonna replace it with this one. Okay. So maybe this one. This. Okay, let's try to put it back. Make sure you put the red on the right side. Tight it. Right. Put another one. Put another one. Tight it. Perfect. Now we are going to put it back. Put it like this. And then like this. You see? Let's test it first.
And it's on.
You can see, right? As you can see, it's working. So this is how you replace a light socket. Very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe.